Welcome to TechJanmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is join method. So if I explain this method in a short way, then you can say that it is a reverse method of split function. So what we were doing in our previous session, we discussed about the split function. So what split function does, it converts the string into list. And this is the vice versa process. Means join will perform operation which will convert a list into string. Okay, so in a easy way you can understand that the opposite of split is join method. Okay, so there are also multiple scenarios in which we can utilize this method, so we will discuss one by one each scenario. So for first scenario, what we are doing, we are preparing one list of word. You can see here hello world Python, then we are printing it as it is just to show you the in the output screen. And here I'm using \n to change the line, and then it will show before method use concatenated with this list. So you can see that this is the list. So to concatenate it, we have made it as string by converting using the function str. So this line will print as it is a string, and then we are using join method. So to use the join method, you have to use this syntax. Inside a quote, I am passing one blank string, then dot join and word list, which is my list. So what it will do, it will convert this entire list into string with a delimiter as a space. So after method use, we will show the output as the converted string. So let's see the output. So to see the output, I will press Ctrl Shift Tilde from my keyboard. It will open the terminal for me, and here I will run the program. So to run the program, I will write Python space session14.py. So what is session 14? Session 14 is my program name .py, and then simply hit enter. So it shows multiple outputs because we have printed it for multiple scenarios, but we will focus on first one for now. So for first one, you can see here, firstly it is printing the as it is list, and then it is showing the string hello space world and space and Python. Okay, so this is the first scenario. Now we will discuss about the second scenario. In second scenario, we have same list, but this time what we are doing, we are concatenating this list as a string with delimiter hyphen. So what it will do, it will add, means it will convert the list into string but with hyphen. So let's see the output. If I do page down here, you can see it converts the list. Previously it was like this, and then it converts it like this: apple hyphen banana hyphen orange. So this is about second scenario. Now we will discuss about the third scenario. So in third scenario, you can see it is a number list, and we are concatenating it, and this time we are using delimiter as comma. So what it will do, like firstly we are printing it as it is, then we are using dot join method, right? You can see it as a method join. So this is the syntax. Inside a double quote, you can write the delimiter which you want to use to concat your string, and then you can simply pass the list which you want to convert, and then we are printing it. So if I check the output for this, then you will see that it convert like this. So previously it was 1 2 3 4 5 as a list element, and after conversion it become 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this was about scenario 3. Now we will discuss about the scenario 4. Here what we are doing, we have a single element, means each character is considered as a single element, and now I want to make it as a word, entire word. So how we can do this? So for this, firstly we are printing as it is list just to show in the output, and then we are using dot join. Here you can see that in delimiter I am not passing anything. It is null, right? Neither the space is there nor the comma or any other symbol is there. So what it will do, it will concatenate all these character and make convert it into one single word. So let's see the output. You can see here previously it was HELLO separate list element, and then it converted to a string hello. Okay, so whenever there is a requirement you want to convert it into single word, then you can pass delimiter without, means you can go without delimiter, just use double quotes. Now we will discuss about the scenario 5th. Here we are using one list which is like this: line 1, line 2, line 3. And now if you want to break down this into a string, so using backslash n. So what you can do, you can use join method, and here in delimiter I am passing backslash n. So what it will do, firstly it will print line 1, then next line, line 2, next line, and line 3. See the output. So you can see firstly it converts line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, so this is about the fifth scenario. Now we will discuss about the sixth scenario. So in sixth scenario, what we are doing, we have a separate word. So this time, instead of creating word, we are not passing any delimiter. So what it will do, it will concatenate all word as a single string. So let's see the output. Here hello world Python become hello world Python as a single string. So it is quite similar with the scenario where we were concatenating each character of the word, right? Hello. So in the same manner, but this time we are concatenating word instead of single character. So these are the some basic scenario that we can perform with the help of join function. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Math.